The geocarpy zone, a specialized agricultural matrix where Arachis hypogea pods mature entirely underground. Subterranean pod maturation. Lignified pods protect the oil-rich embryonic seeds. The Arachis Extraction, converting raw underground biomass into high-purity lipid commodities. Annual quality validation, verifying pod structural hardness and seed mass allocation prior to machine ingress.
Preliminary manual soil separation. Automated subterranean extraction. The mechanical blades slice below the root zone at an angle.
Mechanical substrate elevation. High-frequency soil kinematics. Removing geogenic matter via mechanical agitation. Photonic desiccation ingress. Pods are left facing upward for solar drying to lower moisture parameters. Secondary combine harvest phase. Picking up the sun-dried agricultural windrows. Mechanical crop ingress.
Aerodynamic density partitioning, eliminating stems and dry leaves.
Solid commodity volume aggregation. Factory gate ingress, transitioning the stabilized raw pods into the high-capacity refining stream.
Bulk gravity material feed. Macro impurity exclusion loop, removing large rocks, clods, and field debris.
Dimensional aperture classification.
Countercurrent air classification, eliminating microparticulates by density variance. Fluidized bed gravity stratification. Stones sink while lighter peanut pods float forward.
Hull rupture ingress. Introducing cleaned pods into the industrial cracking matrix.
Post-shelling separation loop, utilizing air currents to pull the lightweight empty hulls away.
Final structural output stabilization. Biochemical contamination assay, ensuring zero tolerance for fungal metabolites. Hygroscopic equilibration verification, confirming moisture parameters are less than 7%.
Gravimetric quality control audit. High-volume industrial containerization. Kinetic container manipulation.
Mechanical closure integration. Traceability data encoding. Automated logistics depot consolidation. Symbiotic rhizobia biological matrix. The plant generates its own soil nutrients. Geotropic peg development. The unique mechanism where the flower turns into an underground pod. Ambient convective desiccation dynamics.
Overload mechanical protection integration. Low-impact biomass capture. Fluid power operating parameter control. Frictional traction interface. Eccentric drive mechanical synchronicity.
Structural boundary separation matrix. Linear granular flow management.
Shear clearance distance optimization. Negative pressure air filtration loop.
Volumetric gas-solid control logic. Photonic image capture frequency optimization. Kinetic jet ejection mechanics.
Gravity cascade flow visualization.
Analytical chemical solute interaction. Centrifugal density separation phase. Random volumetric sampling protocol.
Dimensional compliance audit.
Visual spectrum sensor calibration sequence. Pneumatic system energy injection.
Mechanical vibration damping.
Tensile polymer stabilization sequence. Particulate matter emission control loop. Tribological friction reduction phase.
Human-machine process logic observation.
Downstream thermal processing ingress. Roasting peanuts to induce internal chemical changes.
Maillard reaction kinetics. Developing characteristic volatile aromatic compounds.
Thermal quenching phase. Halting the internal cooking cycle immediately.
Mechanical friction blanching. Removing the seed coat skin from the cotyledon surface.
Cotyledon fracture separation logic. High shear fluidization phase. Converting solid seeds into a viscous fluid matrix. Liquid emulsion optimization. Lipids and solids achieve stable homogenization.
Volumetric viscous material dispensing ingress. Atmospheric evacuation hermetic closure.
High-velocity commercial branding application. Global supply chain integration phase. Transporting refined lipids to international markets.
Kinetic intermodal transfer dynamics.
Regulatory asset integrity security lock. Cross-continental bulk commodity distribution. High-pressure sanitization cycle ingress. Organic residue emulsification phase.
Clean room atmospheric mass refresh balance.
Operational energy flux quantification. Cellular structure integrity assessment.
The Arachis Extraction. Controlled granular flow kinematics.
Quality management authorization completion. Purified lipid refractive index verification.
Completion of the diurnal agricultural extraction cycle.
Post-operational production system equilibrium.
Harvest motion. Technical mastery. The mechanical peanut harvest. The Arachis Extraction. Only on Harvest Motion.